Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to look at common problem, flat tire. So this one you can see where we have a nail inside of the tire, so we're gonna plug it. So we're gonna use this to plug it. So we don't need anything than a plug tool set, which consists of this, which is a needle, and this we use it to pierce the hole before, just to clear it of anything so that we can insert the plug. So let's just jump straight into it. First and foremost, we're gonna remove the nail. I'm just using a regular bird bead pliers to get rid of the nail out of the tire. Alright, so we have insert that inside now, so we're gonna string the needle now. Remember, you just struggle to get out, but let's get in here. Just pushing it down and trying to get it not all the way through, but close enough to the tip of that, to the end of the plug. And basically we can go ahead now and let us see if we could remove. Yeah, we could remove it right here. Alright, and that's it. And normally we can just go ahead. We can just go ahead and trim the excess, but personally I don't trim the excess with my vehicle same day. I just give it a day while driving around like that. It will rub off by itself without trimming it. So I'm going to check the air pressure now, in which here it goes like 24. So I'm just gonna give it some more air. Close to the 32 psi. So I'm just using some water to just check to ensure that we have no leak. So basically that's it. That's the way I do it. I don't know if you guys have any other easy method, but having a flat at home, that is one of the easiest way, or even on the road, you can help yourself. Alright, thanks again.